pass?
That food festival dining thing.
It's down around the corner.
Stickers in it. There will be Show Street Palace Theater and the Show Street Butterfly Carpeting.
Umbrella Sky!
You get to put the sticker there too. This is cute.
I love this.
Oh, look, there's so many colors.
Yeah, I'm so happy they got this. I love these kind of things.
And this was up at the front. As you
And
come
it's
in.
free.
Yeah. You just pick this up next to the little flyer booklets at the front.
And we're going to get one of these.
Yeah. Get one of the passes. It'll be down around the corner right here next to the umbrella. I think that's where it is. Or maybe it's down there.
600 of these.
Mosaic culture.
Mosaic culture?
10 feet tall, more than 8 feet in diameter.
That thing is?
That right there, yeah.
Wow. Wow. So pretty. Yeah, it's right over here. We go over here and get it. You gonna get your pass?
Yeah.
It's over
It
here.
was right there.
We picked it up. It's good till June 7th, and we got it right there. There was no line for us, mostly because it's a rainy day that isn't busy. They were real nice in them. And if you do this code on your phone, do this barcode, it'll tell you where everything's located.
So you're videoing with your phone today?
Well, if I don't
Wow.
see the flowers go up to the butterflies, and then you can see the rings on the back of how they get them in here and stuff, I guess. That's neat.
We did get it 3 times.
Or you can buy the coat of many colors. Looks a little more vibrant this year, but
It does seem like it, doesn't it?
maybe that's our imagination. So pretty.
Some hopscotch. You gonna do it? Yay! Good job.
Thank you very much.
The kids will like that, won't they?
I can't do it very good, but I got it done.
Jamie better clap for that. If he didn't, he better now. Clap, Jamie. Megan.
Oh, there's
Even
strawberry
Lexi.
lemonade.
This is really pretty. This like sunburst and flowers right here. That's really nice. That's creative. Oh, I like that.
His little leg. Oh, so cute. Cute. Look at the nose.
Brent. All shinier, more colorful. Well, that might just be the weather making it look prettier. I don't know. Colors look really good.
Well, we lifted my burdens, made me feel glad. All that I know, there's something within me
goose up there. I don't know. It was hotter a second ago. Festival fair. Mountain paella. Gonna get that for sure. Not here. Nine and the Applejack is making his way through. Here is the mountain paella. It has, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of a jambalaya or something down there.
What it looks like.
It smells really good. Oh, it smells spicy. This is so good. Not super spicy, just kind of warm. Got some like peppers and these like beef strip things in it. It had some chicken and like one piece of sausage.
Peas.
Yeah, peas. I haven't had a piece of that, thankfully, yet. I saw a piece over there.
We want the recipe.
Yeah, it's so good. There needs to be a recipe book for this. Mom's already ate her side.
Yeah.
I'm eating my side. We ate that one down. We're probably going to end up with another one of them. That was good.
Yeah.
And we got to use the first hole punch. Let's see your
let
hole
me get this
punch.
table cleaned off.
Ta-da! We were going to get the watermelon drink, but all they had was the blackberry peach, and I think that sounds kind of gross, so we didn't get that one.
They scan it.
Oh, they scanned it?
Yeah, they scan that to take the money off, and then they punch a thing there.
Oh, I didn't see them scan it. Yeah, that's how that works. Gonna go see what else we can find now.
Once again, back to the seasons of my youth, and I recall a box of eggs someone gave us, and how my mama put the rest to
Butterfly lady over here.
Right there.
Oh, that's a good spot.
We'll do that.
I'm trying bulgogi nachos.
They don't have any chicken.
Oh, that's okay.
Maybe you'll have them another day?
All right, we finally found the strawberry lemonade, and we got the beef bulgogi nachos. Mom's gonna eat all the wontons and stuff, but I'm gonna try the topping off of it. Looks pretty good. We're over here by the Rampage. What's it called? I don't know. We never go on it because it's a water ride. River Rampage. I haven't rode that since I was little because it's a water ride.
First time we came here.
Yeah, I don't go on water rides. We're over here by this one. We're going digging.
We're gonna have napkins.
I know. She did it! Yay! How'd you like it?
Oh, good.
Not as good as the paella though, that's still better. This is pretty good too. It isn't super sweet though, so it's a good thing they got this sugary stuff around the side. But you'll definitely turn into the Hulk because you'll be all green. And it's got flowers on this side too. Is my mouth green?
Oh, your lips are a little green.
Well, we're gonna try this blackberry peach refresher because they've been out of all the strawberry drinks today and the blood orange drinks, and this is about all that anybody's offering, and it doesn't sound that great. Blackberry sounds fine, but with peach, so let's see how Mom likes it. Well,
Yeah, I'd drink that again.
It's okay? Really?
That's
Wow. I guess I should have tried it.
good. It's really good.
Well, surprise, surprise.
You
It's
have to
just
like
fine.
blackberries.
Oh, you have to like blackberries.
If you don't
So,
like blackberries, don't try it.
surprise purchase. It was just fine. She's gonna eat the flower.
It's good.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, gosh.
Yep, it's good. I like those.
Yeah, those look really nice. Oh, be darn. Look at all them flowers. Those look so pretty.
Azaleas and roses. That's what I'm gonna have at my house.
Mom wants one of these for her yard. She don't know what they're called. She wants to do this in her yard. So I gotta get a picture. They're back to playing again. That's nice to see. I wonder when they opened it up. This is a Wednesday and these are the wait times. Look at that, it's crazy.
Well, blind Jack Davy coming riding on by, whistling loud and merry. He made the woods around him ring. He charmed the heart of a lady. Yes, charmed the heart of a lady.
Huh?
Writing pens.
Writing pens?
Like your flowers.
Yeah. Gotta get one of them. I looked at them online. I think that shop. We got everything pushed in today. And it's raining. We got shirts here I like. I'm gonna get this one. So cute. Stuff over there. Things over there. These are the festival things. Yeah.
That's no business.
Came back and they had some of the wings now. We got some of their jerk wings on. I don't like wings, but I like jerk, so I'm going to be the true test on if these are good. Mom went to go see if anybody had tea and napkins. So we're going to wait and see how these are. So we got Sprite. Apparently you have to go to the restaurants to get tea. Dollywood, get on that. Bring tea to the little kiosk places.
Paper
I
straws.
can't have that. Paper straws. I need some tea, just walking around. No. Well, tastes like jerk. Is it spicy? Not spicy. She said spicy.
They just taste sweet.
Just sweet. Is it good though? Worth a whole punch?
Yeah.
You get quite a few.
Yeah, they're good.
Will I like them?
Maybe they got a little bit of heat at the end, but not very much. Just a tiny, tiny tad.
Finished them up. I thought they were real good. They weren't super spicy. They were just a little bit spicy, but they weren't too bad. Had a good flavor. So I liked them.
Yep. That one right there. In the back. Yep.
Yeah. Oh, the melons are good. Will the kiddos be here in time to get any of these things?
When's the last day for this? They come on June 6th.
Yeah, I think so.
Will it still be going on then?
I think so. If not, they'll be able to get one of the others.
Butterfly.
Oh, we got lots of time.
You're not gonna try the cookie?
I was going to, but I learned that. Thank you.
Oh, look at that.
That looks pretty neat. I should have got that.
Mom got, and they have a gluten-free brownie mixture and a strawberry yogurt. If anybody wants to know, because I don't think they have any signs. That's where we got those at. Headed out. Here we are at Dollywood, and this is actually the third time we've been in Dollywood, but this is like the first official time I'm pulling out the camera with the actual camera. Supposedly Dolly is here today. She did an interview thing on GMM.
GMA.
GMM. That's my YouTube show I watch. But we're here for the food festival, but maybe she'll be doing a parade later or something. That's what we're hearing. We might not be here for it, but that's what we're hearing. But we're going to go in and get another food pass to have food. Yay! We got her pass again. Now last time we did it, she took the card after it was done, but she did tell us we can keep it in the end. So definitely keep your card if you want it. I'm thinking about going to Chase the Rainbows because I haven't got to see it in a while. Would you hate that idea?
I'm fine.
I think we should go in there. Didn't go in, the line was too long. I wish they'd sell these outfits in the park. I just wish these were actual buildings to go in. But I can buy these dresses and wear them. Oh, we came back for the mountain pie. This time we both got one. And they had the watermelon lime fresca. Is that what it was called? Yep. They had that this time, so we're going to try that. I'm going to try it. Okay, start eating it. Mommy went over and got the Cuban sandwich, and it came with plantains, and I think that's the mango salsa. She got over here at this booth right here next to the Coda Mini Ooh, that's blurry.
It actually
Really
just tastes
colors.
like pico de gallo.
Pico de gallo? I figured it would, which makes it sound really good. So I'm gonna try those plantains and
They're good.
salsa. How's it?
Really good.
Really good? So she got another punch on her card. We like this again, of course. And I got a piece of chicken in it this time, and that was really tasty. Of course, I scooted the peas to the side. I wish the sausage was spicier. I'd like a spicy sausage in it. But other than that, I thought it was great. And we end up with it being cold this time because it, you know, it's cold outside and it took a while to find its feet. But it was still delicious. We ate it all again. Well, Mommy liked that too. We like that too. Kind of hard to eat it all though when we just ate the paella.
Yep.
Paella is still our favorite, even though
Yep.
it was cold. This I would make a little bit more, what did I say? Citrusy. And a little bit more salty. Every once in a while I'd get like the perfect bite, but it needs it a little bit more. But it was good otherwise.
Excellent.
I think we're going to get up and move around because we're cold.
We'll find some hot drink.
Yeah. Hot to drink. I'm going to finish this.
Thank you very much, everybody. Yeah. Thank you, Lord. Well, you know what? We do appreciate the rain, but I prefer on the nighttime. The daytime. You know, you're about trying to do things in the day, but you know, maybe at home, you know.
Rainy nights are much better. Much better.
Especially on a tin roof.
And on a tin roof, buddy, you got that right.
Laying in bed. Anyway, I digress here. We're just going to ask for a little help here. Can everybody give me just a snap? I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. I love to hear the thunder, watch the lightning as it lights up the sky. Gonna make us feel good.
Show does Steve.
Mom's getting her one of these sweaters. I guess since it's been so cold, she's going to get her a sweater. It's a really pretty color though, and I showed it to her. She thinks it looks pretty. She got her a coffee. Yay! Got her one. She got her a coffee from the front. She was worried it would taste bad because part coffee, but she says it's really good. And I got a hot chocolate, and I was worried that would taste bad and watery, and it's really good too. I said it kind of smelled like marshmallows, and you know it kind of tastes like marshmallows too inside of it. Loving. Look guys, they've got a sign up for the flowers. Mountain sunrise called Shakanahay. By the Cherokee Indians, the Smoky Mountains are known as the land of blue smoke due to frequent low-hanging clouds that cast a blue-like shadow across the mountain range. Man, the cloud and stuff are crazy today. I'll put video at the end of what they were like. Well, any time of the day in the Smokies is majestic. There's nothing quite like the fresh crispness of a mountain sunrise and the glorious aspiration of a new day dawning. I was so right. It was the sunrise. And it's so pretty. I'll show it again over here. Can't quite see it from this angle. Can't see it. I'll try to put a picture in. So pretty. That's like my favorite one here this year. And that's one of my favorite songs, Shakanahay. So spooky and pretty. I'm done with my hot chocolate. Sad to see it go. They've got the best caramel apples, and I gotta say I've tried hot chocolates everywhere, and they have got the best hot chocolate I've ever had. So dang good.
Let's go in the wood.
Ooh, wood carvers. We haven't been to wood carvers in a long time. Let's go.
Are we going grocery shopping?
Gotta put a stop to it. I told you. That's crazy. Oh, she said something about the clocks are down and they're waiting. Something like that. Little place.
How they made them out of horseshoes.
Oh, wow! Look at that! The spiders out of horseshoes. Ladybugs. Ooh, I love those. I love this one. I'd take that one. Oh, I love it. The new place where the, what's this called? Oh gosh. Wish I could afford it. Blacksmith, where the blacksmith is. I probably already recorded this. Working back here. So cool. I just found this for the first time. Can you believe that? This is now my favorite sign in the park. Andrea Fontana's Grand Cat Show at Heritage Hall. 80 rare and beautiful cats. I want this. They should make a print and sell this.
Everybody's gonna be riding mountain bike and switching cars.
So apparently, according to Dolly, it's Klondike Katie's, what is it? 60th anniversary. So happy anniversary, Klondike Katie. That's twice we've been here for some anniversaries for these babies. So that's awesome. She looks good for her age, huh? Running good too, it sounds like. I don't know. Yay!
Yeah, you can get your fingers around there too.
Are they $9.99?
$9.99. gotta get you one now. You just need a new mug with a spoon.
I really like this shirt. I know, that's what I was gonna say. Look at the shadows on them. That looks incredible. Shadow on that one. They look beautiful. She's working over there. Jamie Hauser. Watermelon lime fresca, and it's fancier this time. These are so good. Baby. This one.
Not right now. Where's your show thing?
You got it? I'm going to eat a flower. Oh, no. It wasn't so bad at first, but it had that frost on it. Molly, how'd you like that? It kind of tastes like nasty lettuce.
I think you're expensive like that.
No, I don't like that. No on the flowers. You're good. Hi, baby.
Let's go back and get split.
Guess not. I don't know where the mom is then. No. Look at Mom's watermelon fresca. It's way prettier.
What is this called?
The flour flatbed.
That looks very interesting. I can't wait to see how you like that.
We get to put a sticker in our book.
Oh, yay!
Start again. Try the ice cream parlor. Mom's gonna try the sundae. I'm gonna get butter pecan. Butter pecan ice cream. Mom's giant sundae.
And a waffle cone.
And a waffle cone. Tastes good?
Yeah, that's very good.
Show all the motorcycle parking they have. They got a whole bunch over there. They got a bunch up here too, way closer. See, there's more motorcycle parking. I think that's so neat. I never see that anywhere. It's got all kinds of disabled parking too. Not much spots today though. School's out, it's packed. And this is a Wednesday. Brand new motorcycle. I don't know what it is about this train. I've seen it a million times. I can't stop recording. Oh, you get stuff all over. See, we got the brisket slider. Barbecue brisket slider from Lillian's. We got the street corn and the barbecue.
It was just a brisket sausage.
Oh, brisket sausage?
Yeah.
From Lillian. I'll have to show the sign. That's what we got here. Since school's out, the line's super long, so we waited like an hour and a half for these. So we got here. Oh yeah, and 2 free waters. Alright, mommy liked hers. Pretty good. Only ate the inside. Was it worth an hour and a half wait though?
Yeah, I guess.
You guess. They couldn't
was good.
help it. The poor things are wore out working in there though. You can tell.
They're working extremely hard.
Yeah. So, I had to go and thank them for their work.
I gotta show the booth.
Here's where we got it from. It's over here in this area.
The drink, the popsicle or whatever that thing is, and I'll
From here, I'm gonna try one of the paletas. Hopefully I'm saying that right. All they had was coconut though. We'll see if I like it. It says condensed milk in it, so maybe it'll be good.
Someone who doesn't really care for coconut flavored things. I like coconut, not coconut flavored. It's pretty good. Tastes like the coconut you use in coconut candies and a lot like condensed milk. Yum!
There, now she'll see what it's like. I'll cut it here. I'm trying to record this direction. My hair is everywhere. It's still everywhere.
Oh, Jesse, you can't tell it that much.
I can tell, and my battery's dying. Okay, now we're done at we are done at Dollywood. This will be the third day, so I'm gonna cut it here and just piece it together. We'll see how it goes. I shopped at the Emporium, finally got Dolly's book, yay! And got a few more bits of stuff. Mommy got some candy. And yeah, we're gonna cut it here. See how many things actually fit in. So, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Oh, there she goes!
Let me show you what we picked up. I found this in the store on the way out. They had blue versions too, but we like the kind of peachy green version. And it's a magnet for the umbrella sky. Isn't that so cute? And it was $6. That's gonna look awesome on the fridge. We'll probably put it down here in the little red one. We've made it into like a dolly fridge. We put it there. I was wrestling with my foot. There we go. And picked up a couple of dolly stickers for use in the scrapbook. I really liked this one, so I grabbed that one. And she likes this one. Book of Ambition, served daily. That like matches her coffee cup. And these were each $5, $4.99. And then in the store up top, I forget what it's called every time, but like the general store, I think, I don't know. No outfit is complete without cat hairs, so I'm gonna put that on the freezer over here. I started like a little cat fridge and random magnet one. I think that's so sweet. And that is $6. And then she picked up that shirt I showed. Color, you can see the color a little better in here. So there's the Dollywood sign. Kind of a little retro look. And it was $25. Of course we used the code pass on everything. We get everything a little cheaper. And I finally found the book. My Life in Lyrics. The Song Taylor book. And I told them, because, you know, they kept stopping and saying, oh, it's such a good book. And I was like, I've been looking for this in the park since, since last year and stuff. I could never find it. And they said it kept selling out. Even the workers kept looking for it. And they finally were able to get it in stock and stuff last week. And that was why I finally was able to find it. It was $50. And so that's why I was finally able to get it. I'm so happy. They said it's so good, so I'm looking forward to it. It's so heavy. The plastic bag they put it in, the handles were like trying to tear. I had to actually carry the bag. So pretty. I was gonna order it online, but I was like, no, I go to the park. I want to get it at the park. So beautiful. So that was our little haul. Oh, and she got her a bag of candy. That's where I get the magnets. Oh, I forget what that store is called. She could tell me if she was in here. General store. Over the top, you know, where all the old stores are. Craftsman's Alley, whatever it's called. I always forget the areas. I forget everything. But that's our little haul.